Some months ago, I made a video about this Tradeway broker, and many people on my community benefits and gains from it. So you can see on my community, I drop crypto contents, and most time I drop crypto futures trading signals and also forex signals and other online opportunities. So you can see that I've introduced this platform or this broker to my community some months ago, and most people benefited from it and make use of it. So this time around I discovered something on the broker, so I decided to make this video on it, and it's going to benefit most of you guys that are following up on my post and are benefiting from it. So for those that have not seen this broker or this forex broker before, or for those that are new to this broker, I'm going to be dropping the link for you to register in the description section of this video if you are watching from YouTube. And all you need to do is to go right to the description section, you find the link there, you copy it and take it to your Chrome or your browser and then paste it and create an account for yourself. So after creating an account for yourself, all you need to do is to come to your home page and go to your Play Store and search the app name, which is Tradewheel. Let's search it. Tradewheel is available on Google Play Store and is also available on iOS, which is App Store. You can just download the app and log in your account and set it up. So if you already have it and it is showing updates, you need to update it. If not, some new opportunities which is showing on the app will not show for you. So after updating and downloading, creating an account on it, you make sure you run all the necessary verifications, and after that they are good to go. So Tradewheel broker is available for both forex and crypto pairs. So you can see here, you can see all commodities, you can see commodities here, you can see forex pair, you can see crypto pairs, and then index pairs. So you can use any of these for trading, you can use any of these pairs for trading. And at this signal section, all these pairs that are available here are signals which the communities are giving. So you can see, let's say if you go to crypto pairs here, and you can see these are signals which the broker gives at this section. So here you can see Argo USDT, and they are saying that you should sell at 0.2402 and take profit at 0.2317 and stop loss at 0.245. So you can either copy this and then use this to as your entry in trading. So you can see at this section down below, they are saying intraday and short-term bearish strong short opportunity. So you can see that's the opportunity that they're showing here. So if you already have an account here and you've already funded your broker account already, you can directly copy it on here. You can just click on the copy section, which is going to take you to this section here, which you can trade it on both the demo account or you can use the real life account for trading. So you can see, so currently my accounts are not yet funded yet, and you can run your trades at this place. And also if you go to the forex section here, you can see signals for the forex commodity, you can see NZD USDT, you can see Euro JPY, and if you go down you can see Euro NZD and Euro USD and more of them. So if you go down you can see many of these pairs with signals which this broker gives you directly. So you can see that this is how the signal section work. And one thing that make this thing, or that make Tradewheel unique, is that all the signals that is being given here is not posted by another Tradewheel user. These are coming directly from the Tradewheel platform. All the signals, these are coming directly from the Tradewheel platform. So it's not from someone that is currently new to trading and trying to give an analysis based on his or her own experience. This is coming from the broker directly, and you can see that's why I'm thinking this is more professional to do or to copy. So actually I usually get some signals from here and trade, and sometimes I trade here. Most times if I use this Tradewheel broker to trade forex, and this is what I'm using currently in trading forex. But on futures I use bit.com or bit exchange for futures trading. But on forex trading, this broker is the best broker which I'm using currently for forex trading. So I do use this for gold trading and all that. So another interesting part of this trade wheel broker is that recently they introduced something that will blow your mind. So if you are new to trade wheel and you just come across it and you have not created an account, or you have not, even though you have created an account, if you have not yet found your account before and you're just hearing about this for the first time, you can see this icon at this place here. Here they are saying when you click on it, it's going to load and you're going to be seeing free positions for new users. You can see that 0.01 lot of Bitcoin or gold. So they are giving you free entry of 0.01 lot size of entry on Bitcoin USDT or on gold USD. So you can trade any of these and it is actually a free position. So I've not seen any broker that offer this, and you can see this is the first of its kind, and you can see the terms and condition of this offer they are giving you. And you can see here they are saying, number one, eligible user who successfully register and complete account verification will receive a free trading position, which is about 0.01 lot size, with a option to trade BTC USDT or ZAU USDT, that is gold USDT. You can see the second terms and conditions there is saying that each eligible user may participate in this promotion only once. So you can see you can enter this, or you can enter these positions for at once, or a single or a one-time position. So you can see that. So the third rule here is saying that the maximum holding period for the promotional position is 1 hour. If the position is not manually closed within this time frame, the system will automatically close it at the market price. And you can see the fourth rule here is saying that all profit generated from the trade will be credited directly to the user account balance. So, and you are seeing that any abuse, manipulation or fraudulent activity will result in immediate disqualification from the promotion and may lead to account suspension or termination. So you don't need to play any form of silly games here. You need to be real and legit. That's what they are trying to say here. And here in the sixth rule here, they are saying trade will reserve the right of final interpretation for this promotion. So this is the first time I'm seeing something like this on an Forex broker. So you can see that this is very interesting, and I decided to make this video especially for this. So very quickly, I'm going to be entering this trade in this video, but first of all, I don't want to enter a blind trade. So let's go and make some few analysis on my trading view app. So I'll just go to my trading view app and then make an analysis on gold trades. So right here on the 5-minute time frame, and the analysis that I'm going to be making here is going to be a very brief and short analysis. So you can see right here, you can see that here there is a fair value gap here, and you can see that there is a change of character to the downside, and you can see there is an order block at the top here, and also there is a resistance or support level here, you can see. So, and you can see the overall trend here is uptrend currently, and if you check it very well, you can see this is uptrend. You can see how it's breaking, change of character to the upside and all that. So this little change of character that they do achieved here is just, let's say, deceived or something like that. But this market is going to continuously move uptrend, but there is going to be a reverse section, so that it's going to meet up with this mitigation blocks, or is going to come down and cover this fair value gap or all that. And you can see that you check right here at the top, the price is respecting this zone here. You can see this is a zone which is been respecting, hit it 2 or 3 times before it came down. So definitely it's going to come back and touch this fair value gap, and then it might strike and bounce down to cover some places that there is a bias price there and something like that. So to short analysis of the 5-minute time frame, you can see the conclusion here is that the market is going to go down. But first, let me go to 15-minute time frame and confirm it, because this is a very sharp trade I want to take. So you can see in 15-minute time frame, you can see what I'm seeing here. You can see the candlesticks which is being formed at this section. You can see it. So, and definitely this market is going to touch this fair valid gap. It must touch it one way or the other, or this other one. So definitely the price is going to go downward before it continues the uptrend. So let's enter a sell position, because we just need a 1 hour trade. Like within 1 hour the trade is going to be off. So let me just go there and enter the trade, which I'm going to be using the 1 hour. I'm going to be entering for sell on the good section here. So I'll just click on sell section here, and then here they're saying instrument as that's good, quantity 0.01, sell, leverage E 800x. Wow. And price and take profit here. They have already set the take profit and the stop loss and all that by itself. So I'll just confirm that. Let me check if I'm in a better position to enter this trade at this point, because let it not go and hit the stop loss there. Let's go to the 5 minute again. And yeah, we are now in a better place to enter the trade. So because it has stopped that fair valid gap, so I'll just confirm it, and boom, let's wait. You can see now I've just entered the position. You can see free trading position open. Wait, did I sell or buy? Okay, so now you can see I'm now on a profit, and they have already set their stop loss and all that. So I'm going to be giving you the full results of this trade on my Telegram channel. So this video is becoming more lengthy, so I'm going to be dropping the full results on my Telegram channel. So just go to my Telegram channel and then stay tuned here, and you're going to be seeing what is going to come up on this trade. So that's it, and this is what I really have to share with you. As you can see, this is a one-time opportunity for new users to enter trade once on the broker. So this is what I really have to share with you, and thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to be seeing you next on the next video. Peace.